Hey, what's up guys? I had a couple requests on how to do like door hanger templates. I actually got a few posts in the group, so I'm going to get straight to it. Hope everybody's doing good today. You're going to select your letter. I'm going to use my name again just to make things quick. Pick whatever size you're doing. I'm actually using 24 by 24 on the PVC. But you select your letter, then you're going to select a square, and this will be fixed to your liking. Just going to add it right across. Won't go that big. Center everything up. I'm going to go through quick, so I'm not trying to be symmetrical. You're going to select another square, except on this one you're going to select 0 depth, and that's going to give you the effect you're about to see. You spread that out all the way across, doesn't matter how far. Then you will come in and type in your name, whatever name you're doing this for. Stretch it out, bring it up here to the middle. You want to make sure everything is touching so that everything goes together. We'll make it just a little bit bigger, because I've learned that you definitely want to make sure you have some meat on your letters, because that's going to be pretty much supporting the whole thing. But once you've got it touching and you see a preview over here, everything is touching, that'll be good. I usually try to get rid of those little holes, because all it does with the bit that I use is drill a hole. After you've got this set up, you're going to select all, come back to edit, and combine. That's what that's going to do. Then if you want to make it bigger, you can stretch it out, whatever size you're going to go for. And you center it. I like to keep an inch of work area all the way around, depending on what clamping you're going to use. And I will say that after you got it combined, if you're not using the glue method on your wasteboard, you definitely want to add tabs, where everything is going to be cut out, or you're going to just ask for a problem. But after you're done with that, we're going to cut on path. I actually usually do the outside because it makes my letters a little more meatier. Once that's done, whatever your thickness is on your material, you want it to cut all the way through, and then you get the effect that you see over here, and it's going to cut it out just like you want it to. And that's it. Hopefully this will help a few of you. That's how I do it. Other people might have other ways, but that was pretty quick and simple. So hope it helps, guys. Y'all have a good one.